In this video, I'm going to show you how to do CPA marketing with MaxBounty, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today we're going to be talking about MaxBounty and how you can do CPA marketing with it. Before we get going in this video, please click the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and click the subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so that you won't miss any great content like this. So what is CPA marketing? So essentially CPA marketing is cost per acquisition marketing, where you're getting a lead and you're getting somebody to opt into a page, and it's not necessarily they have to actually buy a product. MaxBounty is one of the best and biggest CPA networks. So you go in here, you find different offers, and then you try to promote them, where you try to get people to opt in, take action, or to be acquired by a certain asset. So this is what it looks like when you log into MaxBounty and you're in the back office. There are tons of different offers, and you can look at the top campaigns, trending campaigns, MaxBounty picks, recently viewed, bookmark, etc. So before you promote anything, you have to actually get approved by MaxBounty. Here I am at MaxBounty's homepage before you log in, and if you want to become an affiliate with MaxBounty, what you do is you go to the affiliates page, you click become an affiliate, and you fill out their form. You give an ID, an email, and you're going to fill out different information about the assets, your affiliate marketing experience, have you done CPA marketing before, and all these other things. And then it's a pretty quick approval process. Just answer the questions as honestly as you possibly can. Make sure you have all your properties, so your Instagram, your YouTube, your LinkedIn, your Facebook page, all that stuff, all your links, your blog, website, funnel. Have it all set up and be ready to explain how you're actually going to promote products. Then once you've been approved, then you can start promoting products. So you'll have an affiliate manager that will work with you to help you promote different CPA offers. And what you can do is you can go to search campaigns, and you can go to search options, and this is where you can really filter down what kind of offer you need. So there's different types of CPA offers. You can get dollars per lead or a percent of sale, meaning, like, let's say somebody buys something for $100, you might get 70% of the sale. That could be one type of offer. Another offer is that if somebody opts in, you might get $1 for that lead or $2. So that is a different type of CPA promotion. There's all different types of traffic sources. Are you going to promote your offer with email, contextual ads, display ads, search ads, incentive-based promotion, social media, native ads, or mobile ads? So you can select which ones you want. Most offers will be a combination of all these different traffic sources. You want to make sure you're on point, because if you pick the wrong one and your link is created incorrectly and you try to use a traffic source that's not supported by that campaign, you might lose your eligibility to work with MaxBounty and you won't get a commission. It's also really important to pick the country that the offer is promoted in and your niche. So for me, I'm in the United States, and I would want to pick offers that are in the United States. So it's at the very top. And then I am in, business opportunities or education. There's a couple different categories where you're going to fit in. So you just try to find different categories where you can serve people. I'm going to go to business opportunity, and I'm going to go per lead. Not because per sale isn't good, it's just what I want to choose for the sake of this demonstration. And I'm also going to do dollars per lead. So when I perform a search, it's going to show me all the different offers that are available in my category and that fit this criteria. As you can see here, they have text message income, success as a choice, retire with freedom. These are all the different offers. It says the CPA type, the CPA rate, so you can sort this based on the amount of money you're going to earn per lead. It's going to actually show you what you're going to average every time somebody clicks on it. And then it's going to show you all the supported traffic sources. So as you can see, most of these have multiple different ways to promote them. For me, I have an email list, a blog, a YouTube channel, all sorts of stuff, and I know how to do search ads and YouTube ads, etc. So I could probably pick most of these. The one I would probably avoid is the incentive base, because I don't do that type of promotion. So I do have an email list, so if I wanted to do this get paid working from home, which is probably an education program to help you find a new job or to become an affiliate marketer, which is exactly up my alley, I would select that offer, and then I can look through here, see all the allowed traffic types, the network, earnings per click, and then I could build what's called a tracking link. So this is my affiliate link. This is a link that if somebody clicks it and converts on the website for whatever action, it might just be a lead, it might be actually buying something, depends on the offer. So it looks like in the commission details, it's completed on form submissions, so I get $1.60 for every lead, which is pretty great. So let's say I just wanted to do email for this. You can create multiple links for a single offer. So if you want to have an email campaign and a search ad campaign at the same time, you could have two different links. It's gonna give you your tracking link, you can copy it and use it. I'm gonna create a raw link, depends on what you're doing, you can create a search link, etc. And then it's gonna show you the landing page for this offer. If you wanna actually check out the offer, you can just take your tracking link and pop it into your search bar. So this is what it looks like. Sign up, get your free consultation, get rid of your job. So I would target people that want to become an entrepreneur, hate their 9-to-5 job, and want to find financial freedom, which is awesome. It's right up my alley. It's all the content I produce. So then I would just try to create an advertisement or a funnel that follows those guidelines. If you want me to do a training for CPA marketing with a Max Bounty offer, creating a funnel, I would love to do that. Say yes in the comments below. Thank you. So all I would do is copy this link, put it in my email campaign or my search ad as the call to action URL, and then start promoting it. You can work with your affiliate manager and contact them via email, Skype, phone, text message to figure out how to best promote the offer. So this is my overview on Max Bounty and how to do CPA marketing with it in order to make money fast by generating leads. If you like this video, hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you can see daily content like this to help you make money even faster. CPA marketing is a great way to make money online, and I hope that you pursue it. If you want me to make more videos like this, please say yes in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.